So this morning when we were driving into Fort Madison, it sure brought back a lot of memories. Uncle Bix was from Fort Madison, and I was 20 years old and didn't know what I was going to be doing, and Uncle Bix hooked me up in the waterproofing business, and if it wasn't for him, none of this would be possible. He was the mentor that I had that really got me to get started in the business and got me started in foundation repair, and so for me to be back where it all started just means a lot to me.
I'm awful proud of him. I convinced him that he should move to Omaha where he had a lot of population. He was living in early Iowa and he was trying to work little towns. I said, you gotta go where the people are. So he finally moved to Omaha, and boy did he take off. He's done a remarkable job. I'm awful proud of him.
It feels good to have a company that, my dad's uncle started so many years ago and has taken care of so many people in this area and taken care of so many problems and also taught us a lot of things over the years. So it kind of feels like it's coming full circle now that we get to come in here and continue his legacy. And so I know my dad's super proud, and I know Uncle Bix is super proud, and they're both just excited to see where this goes.
I couldn't be happier to be a part of this and be sitting right here with Uncle Bix where it all started. This is the beginning, and here we've aged a little bit, Bix.
Not much.
So yeah, I couldn't be happier.